Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, where we explore the big waves and the quiet currents shaping marketing today. I'm Flavio Souza, and today we are diving into our really traditional landscape predictions for digital marketing in 2026.
Honking in a tunnel, really, Michael. I fail to see the point.
Kid, it's an American tradition, like raising your hands on a roller coaster.
It's our tradition, so I will talk about the breakthroughs everyone's talking about and the quiet trends most people still don't see it. So let's jump in. 2026 is the year marketing becomes generally hybrid. So it's gonna be part automated and part deeply human. AI tools move from optional to essential. Search keeps shifting toward answer engines, and privacy become a feature, not a core. But the teams that win are the ones who combine automation with empathy, storytelling, and ethics. So, that being said, let's go to trend number one. AI isn't just helping marketeers, it's doing marketing. And AI platforms can now create full ad campaigns from a single brief, included like videos, image, targeting, spending, spacing, etc. Meta and Google both promised near fully automation ad flows by late 2026. But here's the catch. AI can scale volume, but not so. Brands using AI with human creativity, direction, outperforms those who let the machine run wild. You don't want to let the machine run wild.
Now, the first clue was, what room can no one enter? A mushroom.
Exactly. So in resume, don't let the AI enter the mushroom in your head. So trend number two, generating video and synthetic creators. Well, generating videos nowadays is kind of exploding. You can now change backgrounds, adjust styles, or create multiple localized versions with different language of the same video in seconds. So you see this everywhere. The point is, the audience in 2026 are smart, so they want to know what is real. Best approach is gonna be use generate videos for scale, but mix with real behind the scenes human clips to keep things authentic. 2026 is about authenticity. Trend number three, privacy first measurement. Traditional cookies are basically gone, so the new measurement toolbox is all about privacy and accuracy. It includes server-side tracking, first-party IDs, contextual ads, zero-party preference data, on-device modeling, etc. Brands using this approach are actually seeing more accurate measurement than they had in 2021, without breaking user trust, and that is the point. Trend number four, answer engine optimization, AEO. Search is visual, conversational, and multimodal now. People aren't asking Google for links, they are asking for answers. Your strategy creates answer-friendly assets. About 40 words answer scheme markup, short 60-second explainers, and label image. This time shift produced huge visibility gains in 2026. Don't forget that. Okay, under the radar trend A. So I'm going to talk about some trends that's maybe is not so clear right now for some people. The number one is edge personalization. Here's something few are noticing. Personalization is moving to the device. Small AI models run directly on smartphones and smart TVs, meaning ultra-fast experience, stronger privacy, and better conversion. Early adopters, especially retailers and banking apps, are getting a noticeable performance lift. Another trend under the radar is the rise of multimodal signals. AI systems reward brands that feed them diversity visual clues, product shots in different environments, tag features, short clips, audio captions, etc. This isn't widely known yet, but adding 5 to 6 contextualizing images per product dramatically boosts visibility in AI-driven search. Okay, here is 4 experiments for the next 30 days. It's really quickly, so you can run this in a month or less. Build one answer pack for a high-value query. Test an AI assistant ad set with human creativity approval. Launch a tiny zero-party data survey in your email or app. Remember, I already talked about zero-party data in another episode. A/B test an on-device personalization model for small user groups. So do these 4 experiments and see later the results. Now, here's the mistakes to avoid in 2026. Don't let AI invent claims. Verify everything. Don't be lazy here, People are relying too much on the AI, and things get worse if you see AI actually creating claims that doesn't exist. So keep brand voice human and consistent. Treat privacy like a product feature, not a compliance checkbox. This is also very important.
I don't believe it.
That is why you fail.
Okay, so let's talk about social media platforms in 2026 very quickly. Facebook, a powerful ecosystem for communities and commerce, marketplace plus groups. Here's the value of Facebook. Still a revenue machine for small companies. Instagram, visual showroom of the internet. Shoppable, Reels, AI try-ons, and AR micro demos drive most of products discovery. X, formerly Twitter. Lean, fast, surprisingly strong for B2B. News, experts, and live commentary dominated. YouTube, the global authority hub. AI dubbing and auto-localization made creators instantly international. So it's pretty easy now to create a video in one language and translate to many other languages, the same video. TikTok, still the culture engine. Powerful search, deeper shopping, and personalized discovery make it a must-have for product brands. LinkedIn, the professional brand, AI-enhanced profiles, topic feeds, and skill-based communities make it unbeatable for thought leadership and B2B funnels, although I personally believe that LinkedIn is going down. Anyway, each platform is evolving, but the brands winning 2026 are the ones customizing contents for each of those social media outlets, not copy and pasting. And if you want to plan your 2026 strategy with clarity, check out the new social media planners available on Amazon worldwide, built for AEO, AI content and platform-specific strategy. It will be a very hot Christmas gift, I believe. Wait, did I say Christmas? Okay, go to Amazon store right now and buy 10 planners, or I will keep playing Mariah Carey until December 31. Half joking. This is Flavio Souza and you've been listening to the Now You Know podcast. See you next time and have a nice Christmas and a happy New Year.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Souza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do. Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.